Want to book movie tickets at PVR without paying that annoying booking fee? In this video, I'll show you a hidden trick to avoid the booking charges without any hacks or shady methods. Let's dive in. We all love watching movies in PVR, but the booking fee can be frustrating, especially when booking multiple tickets. Here is a simple way to cancel out that fee while still getting a discount on your tickets. Here's the trick. Before booking your ticket, head over to Magicpin. Magicpin offers discounted PVR and INOX gift vouchers. For example, you can get a 500 rupees PVR voucher for rupees 410 or sometimes even lower during special seasons. Now you might wonder, how does this help? Let's break it down. So let's open the Magicpin app. Head on to the search bar and type PVR. Click on this. So here you can find the vouchers like 300 rupees voucher or 500 rupees voucher or 1000 rupees vouchers as well. So here they are providing 18% discount for all the vouchers. So you can buy a 300 rupees voucher for rupees 246 and the same applies for INOX as well. So here also we are getting the same discount. Okay, now let's go to the PVR app and check. Let me try booking a movie. So I'm trying to book a movie which is costing around 180 rupees or let's say 500 rupees. I'll remove the additional charge and so if you check the fee, it is around 59 rupees. Let's go to Magicpin again and we will check the PVR voucher. So the 500 is costing 410 rupees. So let's do the math. Going to the calculator, the amount showed is 559. We have the 500 rupees gift card, so we have to pay the amount of 59. Now we bought the gift card for 410 rupees. We'll add that. So finally, we are watching the movie at a cost of 469 rupees. But the actual ticket cost itself is rupees 500. So we are getting an extra benefit of rupees 31 in watching a single movie. The purchased vouchers are valid for 1 year and it is reusable, which means that if you are buying a voucher for 500 rupees and if you are booking a ticket for 300 rupees, so there is 200 remaining in the gift voucher. So next time if you are booking a movie for 250 rupees, you can apply the same voucher there as well and the remaining 50 rupees alone you need to pay. The 200 will be applied from this voucher. So if you are a movie buff, this is a great thing for you. And that's it. A simple yet effective way to bypass the booking fee and save on your PVR movie tickets. Try this out and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to TechWithTJay for more awesome tips and tricks.